We'll guide you through how to compare Mailchimp and HubSpot, so you can choose the best tool for your email marketing needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, explore the dashboard. Mailchimp's interface is known for its simplicity, making it easy for beginners to get started. Check out the automation section where you can create simple email sequences. Mailchimp also provides detailed analytics on open rates and click-throughs, which is essential for tracking your campaign's performance. Next, head over to HubSpot's website and log into your account. HubSpot offers a more comprehensive suite of tools beyond email marketing, including CRM and sales features. Explore the email marketing section. You'll notice advanced automation capabilities compared to Mailchimp. HubSpot allows you to create complex workflows that can be triggered by various user actions, providing more tailored customer journeys. Another difference is the integration capabilities. While both platforms offer integrations, HubSpot's CRM integration is seamless since it's built in. Mailchimp does integrate with other CRMs, but it might require more setup effort. Consider your business size and needs. Mailchimp might be more budget-friendly for smaller businesses or those just starting with email campaigns. On the other hand, HubSpot's robust features are ideal for larger businesses or those needing a more holistic marketing solution. Don't forget to assess the pricing models. Mailchimp typically offers a pay-as-you-go plan, which is great for occasional senders, while HubSpot's pricing is tiered based on the number of contacts and features. After exploring both platforms, think about your specific requirements and budget. Making a choice comes down to whether you need a straightforward email marketing tool or a more integrated platform with CRM and advanced automation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.